Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on your Samsung Galaxy S10, S10e or the S10 Plus without the power button or with a broken power button. So the phone at the moment is off. Nothing is turning on at the moment. So in order for you to switch it on, you need to press on the volume down key and the Bixby key. So I'm just going to take it out of the case so you can see. So we need to press on the volume down key here and the Bixby key, and then we need to plug it into your computer. So it can be a Windows computer, your desktop computer, or your Mac computer. It doesn't matter. So now I'm going to press on both keys, Bixby key and the volume down key. So press on both keys at the same time. So let's do it now. So these two keys, press it down, and then we need to plug in the cable. And as soon as you plug it in, you will see this warning screen. And what you want to do is press on the volume down key to restart the phone. Now it's very important that you do not press on the volume up key. If you press on the volume up key, you will go into a download mode and it will require you to use the power button to cancel. So make sure that you only press on the volume down key. So press on the volume down key here, and that will restart your device, and then will essentially boot up your phone. And that's how you can turn on your Samsung Galaxy S10 or the S10 Plus or the S10e without using the power button on the side here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.